Yeah, good evening. Namaste. Myself Ganesh, Faculty of Social Science. We are discussing about ninth standard social lesson number 1, our health. Now now this is the last part of the lesson. Okay, the objective of the lesson is latitudes and longitudinal concepts. What is meant by latitude? The imaginary horizontal lines which are drawn on the globe is called as what? Latitudes. What is that? The longest latitude on the globe. The longest latitude on the globe is equator. Okay, equator. So this is what the longest latitude. This question number of times they asked in number of competitive exams. The longest latitude on the globe is equator. Equator, what is the specialty of equator? Equator is making the globe into two equal halves. Okay, this is what, see, north part of the globe. Okay, north part of the globe. Okay, north part of the globe. This is north part of the globe. And next one is, this is south part of the globe. Now come to here. If you are going to north part direction, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Somewhere they are getting 23.5 degrees. Okay, northern latitude. What is this? Northern latitude. This 23.5 degrees northern latitude is known as what? Tropic of Cancer, where India is existing like this. India is, say, India, the Tropic of Cancer is passing through India. In 8 states are there. Okay, we will learn these things in 10th class, no problem. Focus here 9. Yeah, focus here India, the Tropic of Cancer. If we are going to upward direction 66.5 degrees, this degree is called as what? Arctic zone. It is called as what? Arctic zone. And next, when we are going to north, the pinnacle point of the globe is North Pole. This is what, Nana? North Pole. Already this is what? North part of the globe. And see, now come to southern part of the globe. Southern part of the globe is, see here, this one is 23.5 degrees. Southern latitude is known as the 23.5 degrees. Southern part of the latitude is known as what? Tropic of Capricorn. Very, very important. This is what? Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, next 66.5 degrees Antarctic zone. This is what? Arctic. Now this is Antarctic. ANTAR, Antarctic. CTIC, Antarctic zone. Okay. So Antarctic zone. Now this is what? Southern pole. These are the southern pole. 90 degrees latitude is known as what? This is what? South pole or southern pole we call them. So this is the simple concept of latitude. Then next one is, what is meant by longitude? See, longitude means the imaginary lines which are drawn vertically on the globe, is, what is that? Vertical. These are vertical lines. Then what is this line? The longest longitude on the globe is, what is that? Greenwich line. GREEN, green, WICH, Greenwich, or Greenwich also correct only pronunciation. So Greenwich line, it is what? 0 degrees longitude. This is what? 0 degrees longitude. What it is doing? It is doing the globe into two halves, two equal halves. One is eastern longitude. What is that? Eastern, EAS. Okay, I will write in capitals. Okay, EASTERN, eastern longitudes. Okay, longitudes. These are eastern longitudes. Next one is western longitudes. WESTERN, western longitudes. Okay, longitudes. These are the things now you have to understand here. So how many are there? How many eastern longitudes are there? See, 180 eastern longitudes, that is eastern longitude, 180 western longitudes. Total how many longitudes are there? Total 360 longitudes are there. Total question will come. How many longitudes are there? Total 360 longitudes are there. These are the simple information about your 9th class latitudes and longitudinal concept. Now we focus here the time zones. Now next time zones. Total that world geographers they decided the entire globe time is how many hours? 24 hours. Okay, total 24 zones. Total 24 zones. Okay, to pass you have to understand here. Okay, to complete. Okay, to complete or to pass, to complete or to pass. Okay, to pass one meridian. Okay, one meridian. Okay, 4 minutes will take place. 4 minutes. Okay, it is taking how many minutes, Nana? 4 minutes it is taking place. Okay, so this is you have to remember. Total how many time zones are there? 24 zones are there. The total world is 24 time zones are there. To pass one meridian, it is taking place. Earth is moving. No, it is to pass one meridian. It is taking place 4 minutes. It is taking place. Imagine, and even each zone. This 24 each zone. 24 zones. Each zone, okay, each zone contain of 15 longitudes will be. How many? 15 longitudes are there. Okay, longitudes, 15 longitudes are there. So 15 each zone contain of how many longitudes are there? 15 zones are there. Okay, to pass one meridian or one longitude, how many minutes is required for Earth? How many it is taking Earth? 4 minutes it is taking Earth. So each zone is how many zones are there? 15. Each zone, one zone contain of how many longitudes are there? 15 longitudes are there. So 15 into 4, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is nothing but 1 hour. So what is concluded here? What I am going to conclude here? To complete one zone, it is taking place. Earth is taking place how many hours? 1 hour. It is taking place. That you needed to understand here. Simple time zones. The world geographers they were divided into the total world time zones. They were divided into 24 zones. Among them, each zone contain of 15 longitudes are there. Okay, 15 longitudes are there, and each and every 15 zone, okay, contain of how many longitudes are each and every zone contain of how many longitudes are there? 15 zones are there. Okay, to pass one meridian, how many minutes it is required for Earth? See, what is that? 4 minutes is taking place. So 15 into 4, how many minutes we are getting here? 60 minutes. That is equal to 1 hour. So one zone to rotate, to complete its rotation, the Earth is taking place. One zone, Earth is taking time. How much time it is taking place? 1 hour it is taking place. That is called as what? Our time zone. And moreover, if we are going to here from Earth is moving from where to where, Nana? Earth is moving from west to east direction. Now let me ask you one question, last question. What is the Indian Standard Time? Where is India is existing actually? India is existing on the globe, northern hemisphere, that too Tropic of Cancer. Now we are discussing about what is that That meridian nothing but what? The longitudinal. So what is IST? IST means what? Indian Standard Time. What is the Indian Standard Time? 82.30 eastern longitude. That is what? Eastern longitude. Where is the 82.30 longitude is passing? This is what? Eastern Indian Standard Time. This is what? Indian 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 Standard, okay, Standard Time. This is what? Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time. So Indian Standard Time is ahead of how many minutes of our Greenwich time? Okay, what is that? 5.5 hours. Okay, 5.5 hours ahead of London or Greenwich time. That you will have to write there. Greenwich, GREEN, Greenwich. Okay, Greenwich also correct one. Greenwich time. That you have to remember. So if we complete, the lesson is completed. Okay, we have completed now. Time zones also we have seen total time zones. World geographers, they were divided into 24 zones, and each zone contains of how many longitudes are there? 15 zones, 15 longitudes are there. Okay, to pass one longitude, Earth is taking place, how much time it is taking? 4 minutes. So to complete one zone, Earth is taking 1 hour. So these are the things you have to learn in this lesson. Okay, I hope you have understand.